Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make a toon shader on a yeep. Click Shading. Click the camera if you want to see your yeep. Move the material output for space.
Empty.
Add a color ramp. Switch render engine from cycles to Eve. Add a shader to RGB. Then connect as seen on screen. Click your color. Copy the hex. Paste it in the color ramp's hex. It should look lighter. Make sure it's constant instead of linear. Change the white to black for shadows. Here you have two choices. You can use the scene line art or make the outlines with just a little tweaking. I would not recommend the scene line art because it outlines the zipper. To make it just do what's on screen. Now repeat the process with the other body parts. Then you're done. See you guys in the next video.